Hi, I'm Allie. I am from Durango, Colorado, and I just finished the all-women's beginner carpentry course, and I made this. This is our last day, and when I got here, I knew nothing, less than nothing, didn't even know how to read a tape measure, didn't even know how many lines were in between the inches. I mean, I knew nothing, and I really wanted to be able to use my hands and know how to do something, and it's incredible to me that in just a few days' time, I now know the difference between a driver and a drill, and I learned how to use 3 different kinds of saws and what their functions are, and then I can put together a simple thing all by myself. So empowering. All the women were so beautiful and patient and kind, and it's everything I wanted and more, and I can't wait to come back. I want to continue it. Like, this is just the start, you know? So yeah, this is the start of my journey, so I probably will come back, and I want to learn how to make a tiny home, and I feel like I maybe could.